If you thought the Avata 2 was impressive, just wait, because DJI might be about to raise the bar again. With the Avata 3 on the horizon, rumors are swirling, leaks are dropping, and the FPV community is buzzing. What groundbreaking features could DJI pack into their next-gen FPV beast? Stick around, because this might just be the drone that changes everything. So, the DJI Avata 3 might come with a much bigger camera sensor, like 1 inch big. That just means it can take clearer pictures and videos, even when it's getting dark outside. More light equals more detail, which is awesome if you want your shots to look sharp and clean. Also, it might shoot 4K video at 120 frames per second. In simple terms, that means you can record super smooth slow-motion clips. It'll make your videos look really cool, like something out of a movie. Great news if you love adding a cinematic touch to your drone footage. The DJI Avata 3 might be way faster than before, like up to 140 kilometers per hour. That means it can really zoom around, which sounds super fun, especially if you like fast flying or racing with friends. And the new battery? It should last longer, so you won't have to land so quickly like with older drones. More time in the air and more fun. It's also supposed to be more stable when flying. Even if it's windy or you're flying through tight spots, the drone should stay steady and easy to control. That's great news if you want smooth videos or just don't want to worry about losing control. With the DJI Avata 3, flying feels a lot safer. It can now spot things around it in every direction, trees, walls, people, you name it. So if you're flying in tricky places like parks or tight spaces, it knows how to dodge stuff and keep out of trouble. It also has a smarter go back home feature. If the drone goes too far or you lose track of it, it knows how to return on its own. Even when it's hard to see or the area is crowded, it uses its sensors to find a safe path back. That means you worry less and enjoy flying more. The DJI Avata 3 is going to work with the new DJI Goggles 4. Think of them like high-tech VR glasses for flying. The screen inside should look sharper and react faster, so everything feels more real when you're flying. It's like stepping right into the pilot's seat. Super smooth and super fun. And the new controllers are getting a big upgrade too. They're designed to feel better in your hands, kind of like a good game controller. You'll be able to fly the drone more easily and make quick moves without slipping or messing up. More comfort, more control, better flying. DJI hasn't said exactly when the Avata 3 will be released. But if we look at how they've done things before, a lot of people think it could come out sometime in late 2025 or early 2026. DJI usually waits about a year or two between drone releases. Since the Avata 2 came out in April 2024, a late 2025 release makes sense. But of course, nothing's official yet, and plans can always change. As for the price, it might be between $1,200 and $1,500, depending on what's included. The Avata 2 started at $1,199, so if the Avata 3 has more powerful features, it could cost a bit more. We'll have to wait and see what comes in the box. DJI is on top of the drone game for a reason. Other brands like Skyo and Outel try to keep up, but they just can't offer the same mix of power and user-friendliness. The Avata 3, based on what we've heard, might take that lead even further. For example, Skyo's X3 is smart, but it doesn't handle fast, hands-on flying like DJI's FPV drones. Outel's Evoite Plus has a great camera, but it's more for slow, steady shots, not flying with freedom and speed. What makes the Avata 3 special is how it mixes smooth video with fun, freestyle flying. And if the price stays under $1,500, that's a big win. If you already have the Avata 2, think about what you need. If you care about better camera quality and steadier flights, the Avata 3 might be worth it. But if you just fly for fun now and then, the Avata 2 is still a great pick. If you're new to drones, it might be smart to wait. The Avata 3 is expected to be easier and safer to fly, which helps a lot when you're learning. It's not just a small upgrade. It's DJI fixing things like short battery life and shaky footage. With what we've heard so far, this drone sounds like it can shoot movie-like videos and still pull off wild FPV tricks. Whether you're a pro or just getting started, the Avata 3 could be your perfect way into creative flying. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss future updates. We'll be covering everything as soon as new leaks or official news drop. Thanks for watching, and let me know in the comments. Are you planning to upgrade to the Avata 3 or sticking with your current drone?